Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You have what you need: a working keyboard and a chosen input language. Place your fingers on the home row and relax your shoulders. Once positioned, type short, meaningful phrases to build muscle memory. Don't race the clock. Make sure to glance at the screen, not your hands, and correct errors deliberately so the correct pattern reinforces. This first step trains accuracy and creates a baseline rhythm that you'll expand from in the next stage. Once done with initial drills, increase complexity by practicing common word clusters and transitions. This trains your fingers to move between keys fluidly. You should work in short, focused intervals, 30 to 60 seconds, then rest to prevent fatigue. Use progressive sequences: words, short sentences, and then typing paragraphs. Make sure to monitor your errors per minute and adjust focus where most mistakes occur. Targeted repetition builds speed while preserving accuracy, which is the real. You're ready to finish with a timed passage that measures consistency rather than raw numbers. Type deliberately, then compare results to your baseline to see real improvement. If you hit a plateau, slow your typing to half speed and isolate the troublesome letter combinations. Repeating them deliberately breaks the error loop. Make sure to check posture and keyboard angle, tweak what's needed, and retest. That single troubleshooting step usually restores.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.